Hello, this is Joseph here with Valma Richards and Valerie Doddle, together with Anne. We are doing a walking eco-holiday tour in Naivasha. This walk really takes us very, very close to wildlife after being in the van for quite a number of hours while hitting on bumpy roads. On this walk, we normally see zebras, like what you can see in the background, some elands, impalas, thompsons, grand gazelles, warthogs, buffaloes, Maasai giraffes, and we also learn a lot regarding the natural history, for example, the natural tracks and signs of various animals. And this is the main reason why we are here. At Amira's Discoveries, on our walks, safety is guaranteed. We've done more than 300 similar tours, not only here, but also in other parts of Kenya, Uganda, and Rwanda. I hope you will enjoy watching our walking eco-holiday. Thank you.